Now, welcome my beautiful fans. Now, like a student sent me a question that I should solve for her. Now, this is actually the question. Now, whereby they were asked to find the value of what of x in this equation here. It's actually very easy. Okay, let's go this way now. So we have solution here. We are doing something like this in exam. You don't need to panic. Okay, just take a chill pill. Now we're going to solve it together now. Now in this case, now when you have root x plus root x equals to what? Equals to x. Now what you have to do here is this. Now, remember one of the laws we have in what? In sort, right? When we say that when you have root a plus root a, this is equals to what? 2 root a. And then how you get into root it? Like, how can we have 2 roots? It's actually very easy. Now just take a look at it like this, or like in this format. This root a has visible one here as well. So now it means that when you add this one and this one, give us what? 2, right? Then pick one of these roots, root a. Then we have it in this format. Okay. So now in that case now, that was going to apply what we have here. And why are we adding them together? That's another question that will come to mind. Why are we adding this one together? Because they are similar sort. They are actually the same thing. This one have a, it also have a, right? They has a, right? So and they have the same. They are what they call it similar sort, right? So good. So that's what we're going to apply to what we have here now. So it means we're going to add this one visible one is here. 1 plus 1 will give us what? 2. Then pick one of these roots x. So we have root x, then equals to what? To x. Now don't forget that we have to find value of x, right? Isn't it? Good. Now what I'm going to do is that we cannot divide all through by what? By 2. If you're dividing all through by 2, you are still going to what? You are still coming back to what? To the question back. So now what I have to do is I will ensure that the one with x will be at the other side, while the one with no x will be at what? At another side. So what I have to do is what? I have to equate this with x first. So we're going to have, or if you like, you can remove this root x that we have here. But for just easy calculation, remove this root x over root x over root x. So now this one will cancel out now. So we only have 2 equals to what? X over what? Over root x. Now not for us, we want to find x, right? So now for you to find this x now, we can't cross multiply it. Sometimes we just cross multiply. That's actually very wrong. It's okay when you cross multiply, it's actually okay, but you are not getting closer to what? To the question, to the answer. Okay, now what I have to do here is this now. I'm going to originalize this root x because you cannot have x over root x. No. We have to originalize it because of what? It has root. Okay, and I'm going to do that. Multiply both numerator and denominator by what? By root x. That will be times what? Root x over what? Root x again. Can you see that what I did now? I multiply this root x to this up one what? And the down one. And that's what we have in this place. Can you see that now? Then we have 2 equals to this time. This give us what? X root x. Some students to write root x squared is wrong. When you have a times root b, it means that we have a root b. A standing as what? As the coefficient. Okay. As means something like root a times root b now, then it can be what? Root ab. You are correct. Okay. But when it's coming in this format here, it will only become a root what? Root b. Okay, just note it down. Okay. Good. So now I'm going to have s root x, then over. When you multiply this similar sort, this one is called similar sort. When you multiply 2 similar sorts together, it only gives us ordinary what? The number inside only. Like root times root to cancel root, then you pick one of this x here. So we only have ordinary x in this place. So it means that root x times just give us what? X. All this I'm saying, jot it down in case you meet something like this similar to it next time. Okay. So now what next to this what now? We can now start dividing it. So because this one is similar to what you have here, so you can cancel themselves out. So we only have what now? 2 equals to root what? Root x. Right? Now what the next step now is what? To remove this square root, you have to square up both sides. You square both sides like this, square like this, square like this. So this root cancel this square that is here. So we have x equals to x squared means 2. So the 2 square means 2 times what? Which will give us s equals to what? 4. So I hope you find this class very interesting, right? So don't forget to like the video, share, comment, and see you guys in my next video. Thank you.